Good afternoon. As Jim Covey made a presentation which is normally being done by Andrei Rubachevsky, therefore I need to deliver the presentation normally being delivered by Jim Covey. I'll do it in Russian language so that it could be easier, but I don't mind speaking both. Anyway, this is an experiment of kind of cooperation with Diana company, which is using the research platform previously developed by the company Rensis, which allows to analyze traffic and other different parameters. And here we will see the statistics about where the Ukrainian resources are located, on which place they take. This is the first project like that from the CIS area that is using such type of data. They're going to be data based on local data and international hosting and transit providers. First, we can see that the majority of Ukrainian sites are, those websites which have company.ua are located in Ukraine, and then there is Germany and France and US, and then Russian Federation, Netherlands, and etc. Now we can see those Ukrainian companies. Number one is Internet Invest company. This is similar holding as nominal company. Our company, I'd like to say I'm very grateful to them that they are not only are present at this market after them hosting Ukraine and data group. I will not announce all the figures, but you can see the first couple of companies, this is already 30%, and number 15 is already less. So you can see that at least one physical entrepreneur, which is number 10, Kravchenko, it's an individual, Kravchenko Konstantin Vladimirovich, Adamant is the company that they serve 1.4%. All presentations are placed at the ENOG website. You can look at them. You can see more updated version. Here you can see who are connecting those companies. There is no summary kind of the total percentages. And it's more generic data of the traffic. You can see the coaching is quite popular, but level 3 as in the front. Now Ukraine is not a surprise, but Ukrainian companies start only from the item 6. This is where we can see where Ukrainian resources being placed outside the borders of Ukraine. This is a hitster number 1, number 3, VHSAS. As far as I remember, this is a French company, and the rest have acquired allocated the distance from them. Amazon, DigitalOcean, and also separately, Amazon Island is calculated separately, but in fact this is the same. DigitalOcean, they have two different autonomous systems. This is kind of final slide. Transit. This is again transit, but for those resources which are located outside Ukraine. There is also no summary percentage, but you can see level 3 is at the second place in comparison to the previous slide. Here it was Cogent Telecom and somebody GDT, Cogent. In fact, there is a similar composition of companies ratings. That's it. Maybe you have some comments, or maybe somebody is interested in this information. If you are, please approach Jim Covey, because it's kind of beyond what I can present. Anyway, I'd like to say thank you to Diane for the present information. I believe it's going to be interesting and useful for other participants of the market, maybe for analytics of their own resources, etc. Thank you. Any questions maybe to Sveta's presentation or to mine?